Oh, I'm so happy I got that fixed. Literally all the problem was is that you see that wee thing that the hose is in now? Obviously before I got this machine it must have been a case where the door seal was taken off and the hose it fell out of that wee clip there. So that's why it was spraying down the glass all the time rather than actually going to the laundry. So there we go. Oh, I'm so happy. It took so much fighting with that wee clip back there to get it in. But oh, now that's complete. Absolutely lovely. So happy. Look at that. Absolute perfection.